and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be cleaning this leather steering wheel. If your steering wheel's gone shiny and you're wondering how can I clean it, what's the best thing to clean it with, and you've tried all sorts of different stuff, today you're going to need a magic sponge or a magic eraser. You can get these in most stores. You're going to need a clean microfiber towel and some generous purpose cleaner, and you're going to need, just bear with me a second, a small amount of water. I've just put this in an aerosol lid. I'm just going to pop that down. Okay, right. Now, the cleaner I'm using today is this AutoSmart Brisk, which I've bought myself. But if you want to send us any freebies AutoSmart, you can do. Right, I'm just going to spray a bit onto the magic eraser. And if you just apply it to the steering wheel and just spread it out evenly, give it a good rub. It's probably better if you soak it in the water. I'm just going to speed this up a bit now so I'm not boring you, and I'll be back in a sec with it. As you can see, the sponge says it all. Just get your microfiber towel and just give that a good wipe, dry it off. Won't dry instantly, but it dries within a minute or so. Okay, I'll come back once that's dry. Okay, let's remove the tape. And as you can see, the difference from there to there. Okay, I've popped a bit more cleaner on the steering wheel. I've soaked the sponge and wrung it out. Give it a good thorough clean. Okay, there you go, there's the end result. Now, I'm not sure if you can notice the difference on the camera, but it does make a massive difference. But like I said earlier, if your steering wheel's got any wear on the edges, just be careful because it will dry it out. But there you go, there's your little hack for cleaning the steering wheel, and it does make a massive difference. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and check out our other videos. We'll see you soon.